Hey, it's Kelly here. So today I'm gonna show you how to repair the tubeless tire which have been punctured. So we have this is a plug puncture repair kit, and this is my tire that have been punctured, and it has a hole here. So this is where it's punctured. So now I'm going to the air pump near the station nearby. So I'm gonna show you everything, but for now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this first inside, and then we're gonna put the air, and then we can put the rubber inside. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, now, so this is a place where it's punctured, so you're gonna put this one to clean out. So you handle like this, and then you push inside that. Apply more force. Okay, so you clean out there. Okay, so we're gonna put the air, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. All right, so I'm gonna refill the air while this is here. So let's see. All right, so now I refill the air here, and then you can hear it's coming out. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take one of these, and then we put something in it and inside here. Okay, let me show you. All right, so I put half of it, and then I'm gonna remove this one and put this. But before put that, I have to put this solution on top of this one. All right, so I put the solution on top of it, as you can see here. Now I'm gonna remove this, and then I put this. Okay, so it's gonna be like that. Remove this, remove that, and then put this inside. Push it. It's inside. I have to pull quickly. Okay, so the rest is inside. Yeah, you're gonna cut this. All right, so finally you have to take the blade and cut this. They remain outside. Cut it off. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you to the next one. Cheers, guys.